In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts. And this is perfect for anyone who wants to make money from YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step in this video. And no, you don't have to show your face. You don't even have to create the content yourself. I'm going to show you an AI tool that is going to do all that hard work for you. All you simply need to do is to stick to the end of this video, and I'm going to walk you through how to do everything step by step in this video. And as you can see right on your screen, this is one of my YouTube channels that's generated over $2,000 in just 7 days. And as you can see, over 300,000 views in 7 days, which means this channel on average gets over 50,000 views every single day. And as you can see for yourself, this is not a screenshot. This is the views I get from this YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you how you can also do everything in this video, and you can start earning thousands of dollars every single week from YouTube. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So basically, I'm going to show you how to use Clipwise to make videos without having to do any hard work on your end. So basically, Clipwise is not just another video editor. It's like having a professional viral short video teams in your pocket, which means with just a text prompt, you can create engaging, factual, and downright awesome short videos in minutes. Whether you are into history, random facts, or showcasing cool spots in your city, Clipwise got you covered. Now buckle up, because around the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use Clipwise to create amazing content, which is going to keep your viewers engaged with your videos. And you don't even need to have any editing skills at all. All you simply need to do is to let this AI tool do all that hard work for you. So you want to make sure to click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to the Clipwise AI page. And if you come over here, as you can see, it's going to show you samples of videos you can create from this platform. And with Clipwise AI, you can create videos in 3 easy steps. As you can see here, all you simply need to do is to type in your idea and select your style. And the next step is to customize and preview the video. And the final step is to download and start uploading these videos to your YouTube channels and start getting views right away. And also, you don't have anything to worry about, because this AI tool has viral short video AI toolkit, which means this tool has AI scriptwriter, which is going to craft and create engaging script for you. And also, it has diverse visual team depending on whatever niche you are working with, be it sci-fi, history, or whatever style of content you are creating. It has a lot of team that is going to fit into the type of content you are creating. And also, they have human-like AI voiceover, which means you don't have to do any voiceover yourself. This AI tool will do the voiceover for you, and that way you don't have to use your own voice. And finally, it has overlays, which you can then include in your videos to enhance the quality of your videos and keep your viewers engaged. And that way, you are going to get more views and more money on your YouTube videos. And finally, with Clipwise AI, you get to save a lot of time, which means you don't have to do hours of work yourself. You can just let the AI tool do all the hard work for you. You can customize whatever you want within this video. And also, it's very easy to use. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. And finally, you can monetize these videos. And just like I showed you earlier, you can make a lot of money from YouTube short videos if you follow everything I'm about to show you in the next few minutes. So all you simply need to do from here is to click on create your first video. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And this is where you'll be able to create your first AI video. Okay. So once you come over here, the first thing you want to do here is to select any language of your choice. And this is going to depend on the audience you are targeting. Okay. As you can see, there are several languages here that you can target. So for me, I'm going to select English because I want to target English audience. And here you want to select the duration of your videos. If you want a 30 seconds video or a 45 seconds or a 1 minute video, you can come over and select that right here. So for me, I'm going to select 45 seconds. And here, just like I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video, you can create amazing videos with just a simple text prompt. So I'm going to type in an example text prompt here, like 5 fascinating facts about the Eiffel Tower. And if you do that, you want to come over to the visual team here And this is where you want to select the type of theme that match the audience you are targeting. Since I'm creating content related to history, I'm going to select documentary style right here. But here you can come over and select any visual theme that matches the niche you are working with. Okay, so once you select the theme, all you then need to do from here is to click on generate. And if you do that, this is where you'll be able to come over to the voiceover section. And this is where you can select voiceover depending on the type of tone you want, or depending on the type of voice or gender you want, as you can see right here. And you can come over here and click on select all. You'll be able to see various voices and the type of tone you want to use. Since I'm taking the history niche as an example, I'm going to take this narrative and story style tone as an example. Okay, so once I select this, all I then need to do is to go back, and also keep in mind you can preview these voices.
A failure is a man who has blundered but is not capable of cashing in on the experience.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets.
And now once you select the voice that is most suitable with the content, you want to then scroll down, and this is where you can select a video avatar if you want to do that. This is literally up to you. So for me, I am going to leave this as no avatar, but you can definitely select anyone that fits into the niche you are targeting. And now, as you can see, the AI tool has generated a script for us, including images that matches with the script. Keep in mind, you can click on the pen icon, and this way you can edit this image, which means you can then regenerate another image if you don't like the one it generated at first, or you can also click on upload, and you can upload your own image to match that script. All right, so for me, everything looks perfect. All I need to do from here is to then scroll down and click on next. And now, as you can see, it brought us to the next step of this video creation. And here you can see Clipwise has automatically chosen a suitable audio for us. However, if you don't want any background audio, you can come over here and click on this button and you won't have any audio. And also you can come over to custom upload. This means you can then import your own audio of choice, or you can click on view all, which is going to show you all the available audios from Clipwise that you can select and use along with your video. So here you can select any font of your choice, and also you can come over here and select the position of this font depending on how you like it. Okay, you can put it in the center or you can leave it at the bottom. And also you can select the color of the font depending on what you like. So for me, I'm just going to leave everything as default like this. And now you want to scroll down here. This is where you want to select an overlay for your video. As you can see, the AI tool has already picked the most suitable overlay for us. However, you can come over here and remove the overlay if you don't want that. And also you can come over to custom upload to upload your own overlay. And also you can click on view all, and this is where you are going to see all the overlays available that you can select from. And once you are done with everything on this page, all you then need to do is to click on next. And this is where it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to start rendering your video. And this process usually takes about 2 minutes.
This iconic structure was completed in 1889 for the World's Fair, a marvel showcasing 19th century engineering genius.
Standing 1,083 feet tall, it was the tallest man-made structure until 1930. A breathtaking view awaits those who ascend.
Originally, many hated the Eiffel Tower. Critics dubbed it an eyesore, yet it transformed into Paris's cherished symbol. How ironic. Today, the Eiffel Tower welcomes over 7 million visitors each year. Its glow signifies love, art, and resilient beauty in Paris.
And now, as you can see, the video is amazing. You don't have to worry about creating videos from scratch or editing the video. This AI tool does all the hard work for you. Now, all you then need to do from here is to click on download video, and you'll be able to download this video to your device right away. So before we move into the next step, I'm going to show you another example so that you can see for yourself the capability of Clipwise AI tool.
Did you know the Roman Empire spanned over 2.5 million square miles at its peak? That's more than half the area of modern Europe. They built over 250,000 miles of roads, linking cities and facilitating rapid communication, commerce, and military movement across the vast empire. Due to extensive trade networks, Romans had access to exotic goods like silk from China, spices from India, and ivory from Africa. What a mix!
Gladiators, often slaves or prisoners, entertained audiences with brutal battles in the arena. Games could last over 100 days. What a spectacle!
So now that you also see the capabilities of Clipwise AI, I highly recommend to jump into the opportunity right now to start creating videos with AI, as we are already in the digital age and you don't have to do all the hard work yourself, because using this tool is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and you don't have to worry about being creative, as this tool is going to do all the hard work for you. And just like I showed you in the beginning of the video, I have personally been using this tool and it has made me thousands of dollars. And you can also start using Clipwise AI to create viral short videos that get millions of views and make you a lot of money with YouTube, because keeping in mind, you don't have to show your face. All you need to do is to type in a text prompt and this tool is going to do all the hard work for you. All you simply need to do is to make sure you click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to the Clipwise website, and you want to then come over to the pricing section. And as you can see right here, they have very affordable package starting from $25 a month, which is going to give you 1200 credits, which you can use to create up to 40 videos. And as you can see, they have the viral plan as well, which is going to give you 2400 credits, which you can use to create up to 80 videos. And now the final plan here, which costs $79, which is going to give you 40,000 credits, and you can use this to create up to 125 videos. So all you simply need to do is to click on the get started button. So once you select any of the plans, all you then need to do is to come over to where it says add promotional code, and you want to type in XB Market 15 here and click on apply. If you do that, you're going to get 15% discount, and this is a huge opportunity because you can start using this Clipwise AI tool to start creating viral videos, and this is a minor investment compared to how much you are going to start making every single day once your videos start going viral on YouTube. So I highly recommend to go over to YouTube, create an account, and start uploading these videos and start going viral. It's never going to get easier than this, as you already have AI at your disposal to create amazing content for you, which you don't have to do any hard work from your end.